The following lessons are not flashy, cool, or trendy, but incredibly practical and real. Learning how to create and lay out print design projects is essential for any budding designer to master. We're going to review print design projects by critiquing a few items I've collected from my mailbox and other places. I will also go over old client work to show you a wide variety of print sizes, inks, folds, and options. We will even go over how package design boxes and labels are designed and created by breaking down a few boxes and looking at some examples. Lastly, there is an incredible resource that's a part of these lessons. This 22-page document walks through all of the most essential aspects of preparing files for print. We talk about color options, different project sizes, paper types, textures, special print effects, and package design basics. Although designing for digital spaces is important, knowing how to work with and create print design projects is critical when working with clients or starting your own business. So let's get started.